In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide or unhide properties in Notion. If you use databases in Notion like tables, boards, galleries, or lists, you've probably seen a lot of properties showing up. From tags and statuses to dates and numbers. Sometimes that's helpful, but other times it can feel cluttered. The good news is, you can quickly hide the properties you don't need to see and bring them back just as easily without deleting any data. Start by opening the database view you want to tidy up. Look to the top right corner of your database and find the three-dot menu. This is your View Options menu, and it controls how this specific view looks. Give it a click to open the settings for the current view. From the menu, choose Properties. This opens a panel that lists every property available in your database. Next to each property, you'll see an eye icon. Clicking the eye icon hides or shows that property in the current view. If the eye is on, the property is visible. If it's off, the property is hidden. As soon as you clicked, you'll see the change reflected right away in your database, so you can immediately tell if the layout looks cleaner or if you want to bring something back. When a property is hidden, it doesn't disappear forever. It moves to a section labeled Hidden within the same Properties panel. That section acts like a parking area for anything you've turned off. If you change your mind, just find the property in the Hidden section and click the eye icon again to make it visible. This way, you are never losing data, you are only controlling what's shown on screen. A helpful tip: property visibility is saved per Volt IEG. That means your table view can highlight dates and numbers, while your board view focuses on status and assignees. You can fine-tune each view based on how you work, keeping the most relevant details front and center. Also, remember that hiding a property only affects presentation. Your filters, sorts, and formulas still work in the background. If your database feels overwhelming, start by hiding properties you rarely reference. Then gradually bring back anything you miss. This small adjustment can make Notion feel faster, cleaner, and more focused on the task at hand. That's all there is to it. Open the three-dot menu, select Properties, use the eye icon to hide or show, and restore anything from the hidden section. Thanks for watching.